follows paths made by generations of elephants before him, searching for food. Like the elephant, the silverback's family will travel several kilometers a day looking for fruits and seeds. They and the elephants are the gardeners of this jungle, the seed dispersers. And many of the trees here owe their existence to these large animals. Here, all paths eventually lead to Mbelebai. Open areas like this are a unique feature of the Congo's jungles, and there are more than 100 dotted throughout the forest. Known as bais, these clearings attract many of the jungle's inhabitants. The silverback cautiously leads the way, but his family are close behind. The gorillas come to feed on aquatic plants rich in salt, a mineral in short supply inside the forest, but crucial to their survival.